Hello students, I am Arpit Kaur and I will teach you SSC. So today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 9, our occupation. You already know that if you want something or if you want to buy something, you need money to buy it. To earn money, we have to do some work. Your parent work to earn money. Any work that helps a person to earn his livelihood is called occupation. People follow different occupation according to their needs and interests and ability. So, first occupation is farming. Farming or agriculture is the main occupation of the people in villages. Indian farmers grow crops which include food grains, pulses, oilseed, sugarcane, jute, cotton, spices, tea, fruits and vegetables. The climate, the type of soil and the amount of water available determine the crops that grow best in a region. Second is rearing animals. Different animals are reared for different purpose. First is cattle farming. It consists of rearing cattle like goats, cows, buffaloes and bullocks. We get milk from cows, buffaloes and goats. Dairy farming or rearing animals for milk is an important occupation because milk and milk products are consumed in great quantity in our country. Next is poultry farming. It involves rearing hen, ducks and geese for their meat and eggs. Next is the fish farming. In the coastal areas, fishing is an important occupation. Fish is the staple food of many people. We also get oil and other products from fish. Working in forest. Large part of area of our country are covered with thick forest. Many people work in these forests. Some cut wood, which is used to make furniture, packing boxes, matchstick paper and cardboard. Mining. Mining involves digging out minerals such as iron, coal, manganese and petroleum from the earth's surface. In some states of India that are rich in minerals, mining is an important occupation. Some of these minerals are processed to get metals. Metals are used to make utensils, pipe, machine, railway engines, automobiles and many other items. Petroleum gives us petrol, diesel, plastic and medicines. Making goods and factories. Farmers grow cotton in their farm. This cotton has to be converted into the clothes for us to wear. This is done in factory. Similarly, oilseed, sugarcane, jute, tea leaves or coffee beans grown by farmers are taken to the factories and processed to get useful goods such as sugar, rope, tea and coffee powder. Selling goods and services. Once these goods are made in the factories, they have to reach us. A number of people work as shopkeepers or traders to sell the goods to us. Goods have to be transported from one place to another. People working in transport services help to do this. Besides goods, we also need certain services. Postal, telecommunication, medical, travel and entertainment are some of them. You have seen how people do different kinds of work to earn a livelihood. All these people are important to us as they provide us with the goods and services we need. So, that's all. Thank you.